Alright guys, welcome to another video, and we're doing some autocross, and yeah, doing some SCCA things. It's actually pretty sweet. Yeah, we're out doing a little track day, and this one's a little bit different than your typical stuff that we've done before. Now the BMW CCA one, exactly the same, but we got a little more runs at this time. But so this time around it's a little bit different because we're only getting 4 runs this time. So it's very interesting to see and kind of experience. It's a different type of thing. They usually do some runs on Saturday. This time they didn't. But this is a really true test of where the car's sitting against some really fast cars. Right now we're working the course, just getting ready to go snag some cones and hopefully don't have to use this. But yeah, pretty exciting. But yeah, we'll get to racing. So we're done working the course and just getting the car ready. So we got everything all tightened up, and now it's just the waiting game. So group 2 is running right now, and once they start getting done, then we go. And you gotta prove how good we are in 4 runs. So this should be interesting. But hey, you know what? It's part of the game, and you gotta get to see where you sit and how you do well under pressure. But with the car like a little bit more dialed in than last time, I had to tighten up a few things, and thread locker was my best friend on others. Now the car just seems to be working really well. So yeah, now it's just time to see what we can really do in an environment that's not just time attack and, you know, just try and beat your time. So you get 4 runs and see how you do. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. Randy's driving Fox, and Austin's got his car. And yeah, so it's gonna be a good time. But no Mike Balzer today. He's out in Texas with family. But there's a really good amount of cars out here, and they're all really nice. Like, it's a really good variety of cars, and, you know, stock cars. There's a Plaid out here. There's a couple Evos and some just nasty track cars. Just waiting now for our turn to go up, and then we get to it. 41, then a 40, then a 39. Really good time. My last run, the recording didn't or the tracking wasn't doing what it was supposed to, so I had to do a rerun, but it jumped in so quickly that my brakes were still really hot from the run, because I literally came off, jumped right back in, so it was a little too hot and blew right past the cone. I mean, at the same time, you know, that's it, right? That's competition. That's racing. Like, you never know what's going to happen. Either you're going to, you know, put up and show up and see what's going on, or the smallest mistakes can go a long way. I think if I had just waited and just let them know, like, I was like, hey, like, I need a second, like, you know, I just got done doing a run, but it is what it is. Or not, it came into that turn as hot as I should have. But these brakes need to be changed out. I mean, I've been racing on these for a while, but it was a great job. I came in 6th, so that was cool. If I had just got one more second in, even if it was like a high 3.38, really would have shown. There's a few ZL1s out here, and definitely would have been in a contender, but it is what it is. It happens. Yeah, it was a great time. You know, it's been a long day. It's hot. I'm pretty sunburned, but you just do what you got to do. So now I just got to go see Randy and Megan race, and yeah, that'll be fun to see. I get another woman out and see what, you know, what she can do, and if she loves the sport, and she can join us.
He actually split him with me. Come on, Randy.
But yeah, that's all I got, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing and being a part of the channel. You know, we're slowly growing, and I'm trying to do more things so that way we can do more. Next thing that we got coming up is Vegas for Muscle Cars at the Strip. And that one, I'm very excited, so it should be a lot of fun. But yeah, thank you guys again, and we'll see you on the next one.